So the Spanish program here at Butler runs from lower elementary through high school, and it's an enrichment program. We hope to hook our young children into learning Spanish through vocabulary learning and song and dance and student-led projects so that they feel personally motivated and invested in their learning of a second language.
And when they come up to the intermediate, we take that investment and that interest and we try and grow it to become more personal, and we want them to be integrated in the language. So our kitchen is labeled in Spanish, our community lunch papers are labeled in Spanish, so that it's not just a class for them, it's integrated throughout their daily lives.
And as they are moving up to the higher levels, they are applying what they are bringing from elementary, but they are now more exposed to other experiences like traveling, like interviewing, like real life situations where they feel 100% comfortable talking and expressing. And they are showing the delight of learning a second language in an environment that is not putting pressure, but is giving them pleasure.